welcome to you. It's always a pleasure to have you for company on this program every week. If this is your first time on this program, guess what? This is a platform where you get all the latest happening in the world of finance. My name is Susan Obiako, and you are specially welcome. On our lineup this week, we have so much to share with you. But first, we will continue with our interview series with top executives in the insurance industry who spoke to us on the sideline of the 50th AIO conference in Namibia on understanding the changing profile of environmental risk and challenge for insurers. Today, we will speak to Mr. Tunde Mimiko, Managing Director, Sanlam Life Insurance Nigeria. According to him, insurers need to rejig their business models as climate change is here to stay. Let's take a listen.
The effect of climate change is gradually increasing mortality and mobility rates. And there's need for insurers to start putting data together with a view to measuring the impact of climate risk on life insurance from death perspective. There's also a school of thought that believes that the general mobility and mortality rate is inclusive of the climate change. So why do that separately? But put together, there's need for us to start collating data and start acting responsibly as underwriters to ensure that we keep measuring and tracking how climate risk impacts the business that we do, especially from the life insurance space.
On this edition also, we will bring you highlights from the unveiling of the new corporate headquarters of Rex Insurance Limited and the launch of the new identity in Lagos. As expected, the joyful occasion was well attended by players in the industry. Let's check out excerpts.
Our new head office is equipped with solar panels, providing sustainable energy source that reduces our reliance on traditional power and minimizes our carbon footprint.
What more can I say than to urge you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the lineup. Details shortly. Please stay with us.
The effect of climate change is gradually increasing mortality and mobility rates. And there's need for insurers to start putting data together with a view to measuring the impact of climate risk on life insurance from death perspective. There's also a school of thought that believes that the general mobility and mortality rate is inclusive of the climate change. So why do that separately? But put together, there's need for us to start collating data and start acting responsibly as underwriters to ensure that we keep measuring and tracking how climate risk impacts the business that we do, especially from the life insurance space. The microinsurance opportunity session was also very, very insightful. The presentation showed that there are countries in Africa that are really harnessing the opportunities in the microinsurance space. In our country, Nigeria, we have over 132 million people below the poverty level. That's massive opportunity for us to include them in the insurance space. And to do that, we need to start thinking creatively and from an innovative point of view, how we can get them also into the pool. They are very much excluded now, but a lot of insight has been taken from the presentations here that I think we can adopt in our country. The government has the responsibility of creating and enabling environments. So if funding comes from there, that would be great. However, I think we're in that stage where our market should have matured now to where operators should lead the reform and revolutions. In my view, I think we should come together as operators to do the funding. If we keep waiting for government, because government have other priorities, we will continue to wait forever. So there's need for operators to come together and start putting some funds aside to cater for needs that will take care of the business for the future. I think we're in different phases of development, depending on the countries that you're talking about. In Nigeria, for example, the phase that we are is such that we are just embracing the ESG. But at Sanlam Nigeria, given that we are part of the Sanlam Alliance group, ESG is something that we're very big on. So for us, you will see that Sanlam Alliance at the group level must have signed into that ESG declaration. Once we conclude the integration, you will see a company like Sanlam Alliance Nigeria at the end of the integration sign on into that. But because it is still in the infancy stage, you will expect that people need more understanding and understand how to tweak their business model to embrace ESG. So there will be need for industry watchers and analysts to give countries like Nigeria a bit of time to adopt ESG fully. In our country, as I mentioned earlier on, we have quite a number of people below the poverty level. The onus is on us, operators, to create a lot of awareness and ensure that we bridge the trust gap. When we bridge the trust gap, we'll have confidence in the Nigerian populace in adopting insurance more. There's that knowledge gap that we need to bridge, but in bridging that knowledge gap, we need to also ensure that we bridge the trust gap. So it is important that we start investing into creating a lot of insurance awareness so that the adoption can increase. Quite a number of us have done a lot from the distribution side, but when you keep doing that without creating awareness and bridging the trust, it might not yield the traction that is required. So a lot of effort has to be put into creating that awareness plus also bridging the trust gap.
All right, welcome back. Moving on, we bring you highlights from the twin event of Rex Insurance Limited, formerly known as Royal Exchange General Insurance Company. New head office, new identity, what to expect, exceptional service delivery. Happy viewing.
Insurance, established in 1918, is the precursor of insurance companies in Nigeria. As expected from a forerunner, the company has gone through different stages in its over 100 years of existence. The latest is the new roadmap and vision of the company necessitated by new investors and shareholding structure. Insurance players, friends, and well-wishers recently gathered for a remarkable twin event, the unveiling of the ultra-modern head office of Rex Insurance Limited, formerly Royal Exchange, and the launch of the new brand identity. Dignitaries from every segment of the insurance industry and beyond turned out to share in the joyous occasion. The event kicked off with a press conference that provided a veritable platform for the board and management of the company to interact with members of the press. Welcoming guests to the unveiling of the new head office, the Chairman Board of Directors, Rex Insurance Limited, Mr. Ike Chioke, said that the new head office is equipped with cutting-edge systems and processes that will enable the company pay claims more promptly than ever before.
One of the cornerstones of our brand promise is our commitment to paying claims on time. We understand that our customers rely on us during some of these most challenging times in their lives, and we take this responsibility very seriously. Our new head office is equipped with cutting-edge systems and processes that streamline our operations, allowing us to process and pay claims more promptly than ever before. This commitment to timely service is a testament to our dedication to reliability and trustworthiness. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying ahead requires continuous adaptation and innovation. Our new head office is also a testament to our commitment to digitalization. We've integrated the latest technologies to enhance our operational efficiency, improve communication, and deliver superior customer experience. From advanced data analytics to seamless digital platforms, we are embracing the future and ensuring that our services remain accessible, efficient, and user-friendly. Our recently redesigned website, www.rexinsure.com, has a more user-friendly interface to aid navigation by visitors to the site. A new mobile app has also been developed with the aim of giving users 24/7 access to our products and services, and are available both on the iOS, that is Apple, and Google Play stores online. Sustainability is a key pillar of our corporate philosophy. As part of our environmental, social, and governance initiatives, we have taken significant steps to reduce our environmental footprint. Our new head office is equipped with solar panels, providing sustainable energy source that reduces our reliance on traditional power and minimizes our carbon footprint.
Delivering the goodwill message on behalf of the Commissioner for Insurance, Mr. Bankole Ajibola, Director of NICOM Lagos Control Office, stated that the new building will further improve the service delivery of Rex Insurance to the insuring public.
The Commission is therefore elated to align with Rex's goal of rebranding based on our vision for the future through redefining customer experience and customer satisfaction, which is mostly redefined by changing the landscape of our business environment and customer needs. We believe today's exercise will provide a fresh perspective and inject a new life into your brand, ultimately increasing customer loyalty and generating business growth, not only for the company and its shareholders, but the entire insurance industry and the Nigerian economy at large. However, this exercise would only be complete if combined with the new resolve to prioritize claims payment and generally improve the overall customer experience of the Nigerian people. On this note, my special congratulations goes to the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Mrs. Ebelechukwu Nwachukwu, who at a point in time was part of the insurance industry rebranding project. So it's not a surprise that she has brought this message home to Rex Insurance. My congratulations and appreciation also goes to the entire board and management and staff of the company were leading the way in giving the insurance industry a new face.
The twin event, no doubt, marks a significant milestone in the history of this company that has transcended generations. For every forward-looking company, the board must rely on the ingenuity of the management team. For Rex Insurance, Mrs. Ebelechukwu Wanchukwu is on the driver's seat. In her brief remarks at the unveiling, Mrs. Wanchukwu, Managing Director and Chief Executive of Rex Insurance, said that the new vision statement for the company is to be a preferred leader in the insurance space in Nigeria.
Our new vision statement, which is to be the preferred Nigerian insurance company, speaks to our desire to be the preferred place to work, the preferred company to place your insurance business with, and the preferred leader in the insurance space in Nigeria. Our new mission statement, which is to provide innovative and convenient solutions that inspire the future where insurance is simple, empowering, and accessible to all, speaks to our drive to make our products and services simple and easily accessible using technology to all Nigerians, individual and corporate. Our core values have also been refreshed and redefined to ensure that our staff portray the key attributes of resilience, efficiency, excellence, integrity, and teamwork, Brexit, as we simply call it. These values we intend to drive as our culture that will be reflected in everything that we do and will drive all our interactions to our internal and external stakeholders. Our new headquarters shall serve as a hub of innovation and collaboration. It has been designed to be an energy-saving building that includes a crèche for our employees, a gym to promote wellness. We are also introducing very soon a games area to ensure balance of work and play within our premises. It is designed to be dynamic and inclusive, an environment where ideas flourish and talent can thrive. This building will be the heart of our operations, driving us towards new horizons and greater achievements. We have also revamped all our locations in Abuja, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, Benin, while setting up new services on the Ikorodu Road in Lagos. All of these ongoing processes is to ensure that we maintain the same standards across the nation. Some of our offices are still being revamped at the moment.
In his keynote address, the Honorable Commissioner for Finance, Lagos State, Mr. Abayomi Oluyomi, who stood in for the governor, said that Lagos State is striving to be a mega city and a robust insurance sector is key.
I Rex Insurance for continued leadership in the ever-evolving insurance sector. The message is clear. Rex is a forward-thinking, upward-moving company, ready to embrace the future and serve the dynamic needs of a modern Lagos. The spirit of innovation resonates deeply with our administration's vision for Lagos. We are a state on the move, constantly, striving to become a mega city that thrives on progress and opportunity. And, of course, a robust insurance sector is vital to achieving these goals. I am particularly, excited by two things, apart from the edifice. The first one is the family inclusion facilities. And, of course, the second one is the mental awareness facilities. It's fantastic. Can we give them a round of applause, please?
For the board, management, associates, and friends, it was a moment of pride and joy.
Amen. Ladies and gentlemen, truly historic. And now we shall unveil the plaque. Okay, so we also officially unveil the plaque. And then also, we have also unveiled the logo. We have unveiled the logo.
Insurers Limited is coming as a breath of fresh air for insurance consumers who are looking for simple, innovative, and easily accessible products. With technology at the core of its operations and ESG and sustainability as a key pillar of its corporate philosophy, Rex Insurance Limited is here.
That's the time on the program this week. Many thanks for being a part of it. Join us same time, same station next week for a fresh package. If you miss any part of today's episode, watch again on our YouTube channel, Almond Finance TV. Click on the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification button so that you can know when we drop new videos. We will be happy to have you on board. My name is Susan Obiako. Until next time, be your brother's keeper. Bye.